Gaming isn't just a means for you to entertain yourself anymore or to distract yourself anymore. With the rise of platforms like YouTube and Twitch, it is a great opportunity for you to monetize your gaming habit. Persons like Ninja are estimated to earn over 500,000 US dollars every month from subscription, from donations, and from ad revenue playing video games. As we go along this video, I'm going to share with you other persons who earn over 100,000 US dollars from playing games every other month. So if you have anyone around you who love playing games, maybe your kids, your uncle, your friend, especially the kids, it is time for you to share this video with them so they can start playing game and earning money from what they are doing to entertain themselves or to distract themselves. So if you're watching me right now and you love playing games, it is time for you to monetize your gaming habit. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. I appreciate all the effort you put into growing this small community, and if you're new here, you are highly welcome. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online, and how you can build wealth. So if these are the kind of content you're interested in, you want to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end so you get the most value from it. Now, I'm going to break this down in a few steps so we all can understand. The first way for you to be able to earn money online as a gamer is to become a Twitch affiliate. Now, don't worry, I'm going to share other platforms where you can earn money from other than Twitch. But right now, let's go into how you can become a Twitch affiliate. This is just like getting your feet to the door of money making on Twitch. And don't worry, it's not hard. You just need a few things to do to start making money as an affiliate. Now, the first thing you need is to have 50 followers or 50 subscribers. Unlike YouTube, where you need 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, all you need on Twitch is 50 followers. So beside the 50 followers, you also need 3 concurrent viewers for the next 30 days or for the past 30 days, which can actually be anyone you so desire. You definitely have like 3 friends, let's say all your friends are not interested in helping you make this money. You can have a sister, a brother, you have a father, you have uncle, you have aunt, and all that, and you can get 3 of them to watch your live sessions on Twitch for the next 30 days. And the last thing you need to become an affiliate on Twitch is for you to have at least 8 watch hours for the next 7 days. So all you have to do is to turn on your camera and then you sit right there 1 hour 30 minutes every day for the next 7 days, and definitely you will get this 8 watch hours in the next 7 days. Unlike other people think that on Twitch you will need to go live for the whole day. No, you need at least 8 watch hours in the next 7 days to become an affiliate on Twitch. So when you have all these 3 things, you can now become a Twitch affiliate after you apply. So definitely after you've gotten your 50 followers and then you have this 8 watch hours and you also have 3 concurrent viewers in the next 30 days, you now need to apply to become an affiliate and you can start earning money. So it's not as difficult as YouTube. You just need to put in a little bit of effort. When you become a Twitch affiliate, Twitch is going to unlock other opportunities for you, like subscriptions and also donations. For you to get started, all you need to do is to go to Google and you type in twitch.com and you're going to find it right there. Or you could go to the link below, you click on it, and it will direct you or take you directly to Twitch. So just come over to Google and you type in Twitch, just like so. Click on enter, and here we have it right here. And right here for you to get started, all you have to do is to locate the sign up button right here. Click on it and then you put in your details, your username, your password, your date of birth, your phone number. You can scroll below and then you sign up into Twitch. Also, you can download Twitch on your Android or on your iOS. So it all depends on what you have. Just go right there and you download Twitch into your handset or your phone. So when you're done signing up on Twitch, the next thing you have to do is to put in a profile picture or an avatar and you fill in your information just like you do on other social media platforms or just like you do on YouTube. That was step one. And for step two, it is time for you to make your first dollar as a gamer or with your gaming habit. Now, as an affiliate on Twitch, you can start earning money. And for you to be able to withdraw your money from this platform, you will need to have at least 100 US dollars before you are able to withdraw your money. Do not forget, as an affiliate, you can already start earning money. And please, do not worry if it takes you time to make $100. Things don't happen overnight. Now, just like I talked about Ninja, he is earning over 500,000 US dollars every month from this platform. Imagine, do you think he started from $500,000 every month? No, he started from maybe $1, or before he even got the 50 subscribers, maybe it took him days or weeks or months. And also, do not worry that maybe if you earn $25 this month or $10 this month, next month you're going to start over to start earning from one until you get to that 100. No, this money will grow over and over and over until you get this $100 or until you earn this $100, and then you cannot withdraw from your platform. This simply means that if you earn $10 this month when you just started, it's going to roll over to next month until you have the $100. So your money will keep accumulating and then you will start withdrawing when you have up to or at least $100 from this platform. And I bet you by the time you get to this $100, every other month you will be earning money because you have gained experience. You've known exactly what you can do to have ads revenue or subscriptions or donations and all that. Remember, experience is the best teacher. Now, let's talk about how to get subscribers. Subscribers are your bread and butter of Twitch. Now, these subscribers are the ones who are going to opt to support you during your live sessions or your live gaming sessions. So, you have to strategize well to get more subscribers so you will get more donations on your live sessions. And what is amazing about this is these subscribers will pay you $5, $10, $25 and above. Unlike other platforms where subscribers have to pay you maybe some few cents or a dollar, or some subscribers will just be there and paying you nothing. Twitch actually takes 50% of whatever a subscriber gives you or donates to you. So let's take, for example, a subscriber gives you $10, then Twitch would take $5 from that. Now, I know some of you look at it like, no, that's too much. Yes, it's too much, but without them, you will be unable to have this $10 or $5 or $25 a month. So don't look at what Twitch is taking from you, but look at what you are gaining from this platform. By the way, they created the platform and they made everything possible for you, just for you to get in there, play a video game, and then subscribers are popping in and supporting you with some dollars. So remember, don't focus on what you are losing, but focus on what you are gaining. And also, there is something as Prime subscribers. This is where you would actually get all the money any subscriber pays in for watching your video game. Now, this is how it works. So if you have any subscriber who has an Amazon subscription, then this subscriber, whatever the subscriber pays you, it goes directly and fully to you. This platform takes nothing from whatever the subscriber pays to watch you playing games. A lot of gamers on Twitch are not yet aware that they have something as Prime subscription. So you know right now, if you get started on this, make sure you search for or find Prime subscribers so you get whatever they actually chip or donate to watching your live sessions. Also, there is something called Beat and Share. This is your virtual beach jar. This is what Twitch call their virtual currency. So here, viewers are able to buy bits and they share to you. So it is their virtual currency. Now, for every bit they share, you actually earn 1 cent. I know you will look at it like it's very small, but yes, imagine 25,000 people sharing this bit. How much are you going to earn on your stream? So you shouldn't look at it that it is very small, but look at it at the long term because it will keep compiling. And by the end of the month, you just go to your earn section and you find out that you have accumulated a lot of this 1 cent over the month. Just imagine 100 bits is equal to $1. So if you have a lot of bits, then you will be accumulating a lot of money. Now, this is a fun way to make your live stream very entertaining. When these bits are popping in, they will pop in on your screen like emojis, which will make your live stream or your game streaming very entertaining and very, very engaging. And this will actually boost the others to give more incentives and also to cheer you while you are live streaming, playing the game you love best. Now, another way you can earn is by donations, and this one is so amazing because whatever is donated to you goes directly and fully to you. Now, what happens here is this: you set up a third party payment platform and you connect it to your Twitch accounts like PayPal or whatever you want to use, and whatever is donated to you goes directly into your PayPal account or whatever platform you are using. PayPal will now deduct the charges from the amount of money you have in your PayPal account. So this is really amazing, unlike subscription, where Twitch will actually take 50% of whatever a subscriber subscribe for your live stream. This one, whatever is donated to you goes wholly and directly into your third party platform or third party payment platform that you have connected with your Twitch account. Now, for you to be able to get donations from your subscribers, you can actually build something when you're going live. Maybe you want to upgrade your equipment or you have a project you want to do, you can build it there on your live stream so that when your subscribers are watching you, they will know that you need a donation for a particular project that you want to do. It all depends on you. You are a gamer, you know what you need, you know what you want them to donate to you. Because if you're depending only on subscriptions, then just know that 50% of whatever your subscribers give will be deducted by your Twitch or by Twitch account. Another way you can earn is by ad revenue. This is the slow but steady way for you to earn money from Twitch. Now, just like YouTube, where we earn money from ad revenue, you also earn money like that from Twitch. So Twitch will actually pay you depending on the amount of people that watch the ads that pop up during your live stream and how long they watch that ad. So Twitch basically pays from $3.50 to $5 for every 1,000 views on the ads that run on your live stream. I know that this doesn't seem a lot when I talk about $3.50 to $5 for 1,000 views, but there are a lot of people out there on this particular platform that are earning over $100,000 from ads every month. This depends on the amount of subscribers you have and the amount of watch hours on the ads that the subscribers who pop in to watch your live stream watch. So it is slow It is steady because as you keep growing your audience, so will you be growing the amount of ad views on the ads that run on your live stream. Another way you can also earn money is from affiliate marketing. Now, I know a lot of you will ask me, like, oh, how am I going to do this with Twitch? It is simple. Remember, you are actually playing games on your live stream. So, what you can do here is to advertise or become an affiliate marketer for maybe the video game setup that you are using or whatever instruments you're using to play this game. I'm not a gamer, so I don't know about it, but whatever you are using to play this game, maybe the phone you are using, maybe the mic you're using, the setup, the system, and all that, you can become an affiliate marketer for that company, and then you advertise that every other time. And maybe also on your live stream you can also pop out the link or your affiliate link to this particular product that you are advertising, and when anyone or any of your subscribers click on it and purchase it, you would get a commission. Now, one of the best ways to earn money from affiliate marketing is by joining Amazon's affiliate. Now, this is totally free. You don't need to register or spend any amount of money to get started. All you need to do is to go to Amazon affiliate and then you sign up. You get your link and you can share anytime you are live streaming on Twitch. Now, where the big money will come is brand sponsorship. This is where brands will actually reach out to you, give their goods or their products and services to you to advertise when you are live streaming. Now, it is not difficult for you to get these brands. All you need to do is to reach out to those small brands and start up with them. Then this will actually attract the bigger brands to contract you when they need your service. You don't need to have a large follow before you start getting these brand deals. You only need to reach out to them, show them that you can actually advertise their products, and they will start rushing out there to give their products to you to advertise so that they can also grow their brands, their companies, or the products they are producing. Now, another way I see a lot of gamers earning money from this platform is by merchandise. Now, why don't you let your subscribers wear what you've designed? You can use platforms like Printify, Canva, Kittle to design things like t-shirts, mugs, or whatever you feel like designing, and then you advertise on your live streams to your subscribers, your followers, so that they can wear what you've designed. I've seen a lot of gamers doing this. I've also seen a lot of YouTubers doing this. So you can queue into this. If you are a gamer and you want to sign up to this, merchandise is another great way you would earn money from this platform. Other platforms that you can use to play games to earn, we have platforms like Ko-Fi. I hope that is how it's called. We also have Patreon. And the difference with this and Twitch is that they have very little cut from whatever your subscribers chip in during your live streams and all that. So it is not the 50% that this platform does, but theirs is very small. So you can go out there, you type on Google Patreon or Ko-Fi, and then you sign up, start playing games, and set it up the way you feel like so that you can maximize your earnings more on these platforms. If you want to take this like a full-time job, like what Ninja has done and others, then you can take your time, build it, and start earning money for yourself. Thank you all for watching till the end, and I hope you have gotten value from this video. There you have it. How you can turn your gaming habit into a money making stream. If you love the research, hit on that like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and drop an amazing comment so I would know that you actually love the video for today. And do not forget to share it to your friends, your family, your kids, and especially you. You can use this as a passive income, or you can just use it as something you can earn a few dollars when you are struggling to relax. Love you all, and until next time, keep creating, keep searching, and never, ever give up on whatever you do. Bye bye.